Hey friends, thanks for stopping by the shop today. So today we are connecting a wireless controller to my Smittybuilt X20 12,000 pound winch that I've got on my Toyota 4Runner. Now, I had a wireless controller already set up for this. Unfortunately, I did a bonehead thing this past winter. We had Amazon come out to the house and was delivering a package. Well, they were kind enough to pull off of the road in order to let another vehicle leave the driveway. Well, they got stuck. So I went out to actually help pull that Amazon delivery van out of the ditch. While I was putting all my gear back, I left my controller on the front bumper. And in my haste of that and talking with them, with the drivers, I just completely forgot about it. And then went on another drive later that afternoon. So that was gone. Little did I know that those wireless controllers are, one, so expensive. They're $300 a piece. But two, each one of them, the module that you wire up to the winch themselves is hard-coded to each controller. So it's not just buying another wireless controller, but you have to wire up the new controller to the winch. Well, if it's already on the vehicle, you have to go through the steps of actually getting to it. So I've already gone through removing the front end of my 4Runner. If you're interested in seeing that video, I'll post the link up top. But now I need to go ahead and get the controller, the main controller, the brain module off of the winch in order to wire up the hand controller box. With these, there are two screws underneath the main brain that holds it to the actual winch. Now those two screws are very far in the back. They're both Phillips. Easily to remove once you've found them. But I've got a long neck screwdriver here that I'm just going to go ahead and remove the rest of these. I'm going to pull them up just enough to where I can see the screws. All right, so these are the screws in both of these brackets that are holding this main brain to the winch itself. Now that we've got those off, now we can expose this. Now, one piece that I'm going to do that I didn't do initially, but I wanted to make sure that I could get this off, is to disconnect the negative on the battery itself. So I want to go ahead and do that now. All right, so I've got my negative terminal unclamped, and what I like to do just as an extra safety measure is I like to put a rag in between the terminal and the post itself, just to keep them from jumping around. With so many wires, I want to just be extra safe about it. Okay, now backing back over to the winch brain itself, we have 4 different screws that we have to take off in order to get the cover off. All right, there we go. Okay. Now, I've already got, this is the old controller. And the first thing that I want to do is clip this zip strip holding it all together. The old controller is just held on by tape. All right. You've got your antenna, your positive ground, and then both your controller wires itself. It's going to be pretty simple. I've already have the replacement module for my new remote, and this is going to be as simple as me just disconnecting and plugging in the new one, and that's it. All right, selected it to wireless, and let's go out. Woohoo! All right, success. So, like I said, the only thing that I'll do next is just put some double-sided tape on the controller module so that stays placed. With this going off-road, I don't want anything loose in here. And then go in reverse, put it all back together. Definitely a successful mission. I'm glad that this all turned out, and I'll make sure next time not to leave this on the hood or the grill. So hopefully this helped you out. Hopefully you enjoy the Smittybuilt as much as I have. The wireless controller is definitely a game changer and makes it easier and safer on the trails. It is a little pricey, but I do feel that safety is worth it. So hopefully this helped you out. If so, be sure to give a thumbs up, drop us a comment, tell us about the rig that you have. Love to hear about it. Have a great rest of the day. Take care.